This is Tessa. She is the mother of 2 kids and a sales manager at a multinational company. She is struggling to manage her time well. Are you?
Want to manage your time better? First and foremost, you need to understand that you can't manage your time. There are numerous time management programs, processes, and tools, and even with all this help, you still can't manage time no matter how hard you try. There are 24 hours in a day, 86,400 seconds ticking away second by second as you view this. You can't save these seconds or store them up. When they are gone, they are gone. You can't recover or reuse them. So, first, you need to remove this concept of time management. Instead, you just focus on managing yourself. That is self-management, meaning, manage your activities, what you do in the time that you have, and that will be your most effective tool for getting the most out of your time. Here are some tips and tricks for you. First one, be aware of your goals. When you are aware of your goals, you can properly prioritize your activities for the day. It also helps you to get motivated and avoid distractions in between work. The next tip is maintain a list of specific things to be done each day. Prioritize each item based on its urgency and importance. Identify a big win for each day. That is the most important task for the day. Maintaining a list of things to be done every day is a great way to start successfully managing your activities properly. A checklist would help you to remember all the things that you need to do for the day and compel you to finish them at the end of the day. Also, making a checklist would definitely help you to become a more responsible person. It is more than just a reminder, but is critical in how you follow that list to see if it is effective for you. Third, concentrate on one thing at a time. Some people try to do all things at the same time. This happens because people need to do a lot of things but they do not have the luxury of time. But, if you have already prioritized your tasks, you know your big win for the day. First task you must do on each day is your big win. This is the task that is the most important and the most impactful task for the day. Remember, always concentrate on one task at a time. Multitasking is in fact more time-consuming. Brain takes some time to switch between tasks. Even the best multitasker may not be recognizing it, but his or her brain does require some time to switch between tasks. When you concentrate only on one task, the time needed to finish the job will significantly lessen, giving you more spare time. Fourth one. Continually look at ways of freeing up your time. It is important to try to free your schedule up. Looking for ways to free up your schedule improves the time spent on finishing up your activities. Remember that, if you save a few minutes from each activity, and then you sum them all up, you'd realize that you have saved a lot of time. Are you wondering how to free up your schedule? Look at your schedule and ask yourself, can I eliminate any of these tasks? Can I automate any of these activities? Can I delegate any of these activities? Next one. Examine your old habits and look for ways to change them. We are what we are, because of our habits. Identify the habits that are not helpful. Then consciously try to get rid of them. Bad habits are usually hard to change, but when you're able to overcome it, the results are rewarding. Final tip is, put up reminders at home and office about your goals. Usually, when you're trying to pursue long-term goals, you slowly lose focus on them. Putting reminders everywhere would help you get reoriented with your goals, motivating you to strictly follow your schedule. These are some of the tips and tricks you can use to better manage your activities. Always remember, you can't manage time. You can manage only yourself.